What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be turning the S14 into an official drift car. So the whole reason why I bought the S14 was to turn it into a freaking drift missile, take it to track days, drift days, and all of that. And since I got this car bone stock, it has an open diff in it. And so today we're going to get the freaking diff welded, baby. Yes, sir. We're about to go full on drift missile. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and head over to the homie Luis's shop. I'm not sure why, but ever since I changed the alternator on this car, it sounds like I got a supercharger in it. Can you guys hear that? it got a freaking supercharger whine. Alright guys, we have arrived here at Luis's shop. Here's the S14 right here. So today Luis is gonna be dropping the diff, welding it, testing it, putting it back on, and hopefully by the end of today, we'll be able to slide this thing, right Luis?
Oh yeah.
And check this out. This is his shop, by the way. He works on drift cars, all types of stuff, roll cages. He has a plasma cutter, so he can do a ton of different metal work. Hit him up, whatever you need. What's your Instagram?
I believe it's LS807.
Okay, sounds good. I'll put it right here for you guys. How long does this whole process usually take?
Well, maybe 2 hours.
Oh, that's it? Oh, that's pretty quick. And just like that, we got the diff out. Just by watching Luis pulling out the diff, I already am 100% happy I brought it to him, because I would not want to be on the ground doing this. All right, Luis, what's next? Now that we got the diff out,
We're gonna open the case.
so what are we welding? That one?
Yes, we will try to go ahead and reinforce all 4 in one piece of metal.
Okay.
So that way, when the diff start rotating, it's gonna be doing, both axles at the same time. Bring this here. Some people use brake cleaner.
You prefer gasoline?
I prefer gas, honestly. It's always clean better than
So we're using gasoline to flush out the diff.
oil from the old gears. And
Is this to prep it to weld it?
yes. See how nice it cleans there
Yeah.
quickly. So let me get that lip off.
Look at that.
As long as you can see the gears, that are shining. So that should be good.
We got the diff all cleaned out and flushed, and so now Luis is gonna go ahead and start cutting the plates that he's gonna weld onto the diff. Alright guys, there's the metal plate we're gonna be welding in right there. So now it's time to get welding, right?
That's right.
Alright boys, we got one side of the diff welded up. As you can see, it's smoking right now, so we gotta wait a bit until we can flip it over and weld the other side. Nice work, man.
Thank you.
Diff is all welded up. Now we're gonna go ahead and seal it with this right here. got everything sealed up. Now it's time for the gear oil. How much are we putting in?
It should be a little bit more than a quarter.
On goes the cover.
See how smooth it rotates?
Oh yeah, both spins.
Both sides of spins now.
Diff is finally sealed up, filled up with fluid and everything. So now it's time to slap her back on the S14. And then we'll officially have a friggin' drift missile. I like your technique, Luis. Okay, get that workout in. He said
You gotta work the size, you know?
He said who needs the gym. I'm so freaking pumped. The S14 is officially done. It's on the ground and we're ready to go test drive this thing. And so Luis got a place for me to slide this hoe for the first time. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this S14 out and see if I can slide it. I've never slid anything with a welded diff before, and I've never even slid the S14 within this past week of owning it. So let's do this thing. Hopefully I don't crash. Bro, if I crash on the first try, I'm gonna be so sad. All right, wish me luck, guys. Let's start her up. Right away, I can already hear the wheels skipping because of the welded diff. You hear my new alternator? It sounds like I have a supercharger. Okay, here we go. First donut.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Keep the throttle more. A little bit more throttle. Yeah, perfect. That's it.
Oh my god, this is so fun!
Okay, let's go. Told you, should be fine.
Is there an empty parking lot somewhere? See if I can record from the outside. Man, that was literally so much fun. I should have gotten a drift car way sooner, but at least I got one now. Huge shout out to Luis for welding the diff. If you have any welding needs, hit up this man. I'll leave his Instagram right here for you guys. And since you got the stimulus, I don't have to pay you, right?
Oh, that's right.
So okay, here you go, man. Thank you so much. Alright y'all, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the drift missile build. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that notification bell to make sure you guys get alerts for when I post a video. Until next time, peace out. Psych, did you guys really think that that was gonna be it for the video? What? I welded the diff in just 2 skids and I'm done? Nah, we're about to head over to the homie Jacob's house and we're gonna take my S14 and his S14 and we're about to go sliding. So I'll see you guys there. What's good, baby? You ready to go send our shit into a ditch?
In a dish, you gotta watch out for the curves.
Okay, true.
Alright, you just follow me, alright?
Okay, bet. I'll check this out. I swapped out that stupid steering wheel for this nice Momo one. Now it's actually round and I can actually drift this. Damn, hella JDM. Alright boys, we're here in Mexico and so now it's time to do some skids. I got Jacob right here.
Hola, my friend.
He's gonna mentor me just to make sure I don't crash and fucking kill myself. So I'm gonna hand over the camera to him.
Alright, so pretty much we're in the biggest open lot where no one's at. We're gonna be extra careful. We're gonna make sure that Derek here can at least get the good feeling of what it's like to be sideways. So what I want you to do, right? From where we're at, just a nice roll, push in the clutch, rev the gas up, and just let go of the gas. This guy went straight for the one curve that there was. There it is. Okay, so.
Okay, wait. So it's like It's like a launch. You want to rev it up and then dump it.
So the thing is, what you notice is that when you were going, right?
Yeah.
You went straight first, right?
Yeah.
When you dumped the clutch, you're just already going straight. We went straight to that curb and then you started turning. You want your wheels turned already, right?
Okay.
So then if your wheels are turning to the left, since your diff is welded, it's gonna break traction because the difference in distance the wheels have to spin.
Okay.
That's the key to breaking the traction. So you want to turn your wheel first, right?
And then drop the clutch.
And then drop the clutch. The trick is when you're drifting, you want to break the traction right when you feel the weight shifting to its max. So, for example, if you're going into a turn, right? Let's say you're attacking a corner.
Yeah.
That moment where you feel like you could hook it as tight as possible, but you're at that breaking point, right?
Yeah.
Where you feel your weight's here. If you go a little bit more, you might oversteer. You want to hit that, do that, the clutch kick basically every time you feel that weight transfer.
Okay.
So break the weight and just knock it out. So for here, I want you to start spin, like turn first, hit that lock, and then dump that clutch.
Right here?
Yeah, so just like just do a nice roll in the circles real quick. Let's get a little bit comfortable. I want you to go around me in a bit.
Oh,
like I'm gonna
okay.
stand there. I'll get out the way for sure.
This man wants to get hit.
No, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Trust me. Right there. Do it from here, like that. Yep, right there. Now build it off right there. Right there. Build it. Right there. There you go. Yup. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Get this shit. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Yo, yeah, I think that was it. I think it's because we were going into it like really straight at fast speeds, but starting low was good. So I think you're ready, bro. I'm gonna get out, right? You're gonna go right around me.
Okay.
Okay. I'll dodge. Don't worry. I'll dodge. Don't fear it. Don't fear it. Just
Don't kill yourself, bro.
I'll be okay. All right. Go left. It's probably easier. All right. Get a nice, get a line going, a good line. All right, and then when you're ready. There you go. I'm not even moving. That's what I'm talking about. Good job. Yeah, son. Get it. Let's go. That's what I'm talking, boy. You got the hang of it.
Bro, this is fucking fun.
Way better than the stance. I don't like
Facts,
it.
bro.
I can't.
Fuck stance.
The fuck stance.
Fuck
This shit's fun as fuck.
All right, y'all, we're gonna let the S14 cool down. Now it's time to go for a joyride in Jakey's car.
Let's go.
Let's see how it goes. He has an SR, so y'all are about to hear that. Damn, hella JDM. Look at this. Oh my god.
I need to raise my rear because like the shit's catching on hella hard.
Oh my god. This thing has way more power than mine. Oh my god. Damn, son.
Yeah, I gotta raise my rear. Like I gotta do that before track day. It's definitely rubbing in the rear though, so I had to take one. Good test though. Alright, that was a light run. Next time I promise we'll do way more though.
Okay, bet.
Or actually at the track, you'll ride with me.
Yes, sir. Oh, also, if I haven't told you guys, this Sunday, I might or might not be going to the tracks. It's at Spirit Peaks. It's gonna be a full-out drift day, so hopefully I can get the S14 ready to take there, and then we'll ride down there with all the homies, and hopefully drift with all of them.
Yeah, bro.
Did you fuck your fender?
No, like if you rub underneath here, it's just tire. Like you feel wet tire marks underneath.
Oh my god, just be a rubber.
It's literally just right there, and it's riding my fender.
Bro, come look at this. I gotta show you something that's hella rare in the 240 scene.
What's that?
Feel my fenders.
Stock?
Feel the lip. They
what?
haven't even been rolled yet, bro.
Oh, shit. That's
Front
not
and
rare.
rear.
I thought my shit. Yeah, surprisingly, stock fenders these days. Everyone has over fenders, but it's actually way more rare to have stock bodies.
Facts.
Honestly, I've never seen anyone with unrolled fenders.
Yeah.
So like, I have stock body too, which is hella rare, but
Because everyone drifts these cars, so they fuck up their fenders and quarter panels, so they just slap on a wide body.
Like an old grandma or something?
Bro, I actually bought it from a 51-year-old dude.
Hey, bro, plug. What a plug.
I know, bro.
Don't ruin this shit.
Hey, it's too late. I bought an unmolested 240 so I can molest it.
That's a little pedo.
He said a little sus, bro. But look at this. This is why you shouldn't have a white car to drift in. But fuck it, we're going full send on this. This is gonna be my drift missile, so there's no babying this thing.
Hey, can I try it?
The K?
Yeah, let me try it. I have not driven a stock car. So, whoa.
What?
Your car's so comfy compared to mine.
Yeah, bro, we got all the interior.
Your clutch, I don't feel any weight to it. Damn. Oh, all the stock goodies.
He's admiring all the stock panels. Look, no cracks.
I don't have cracks on mine either.
Oh shit. He said mine ain't a piece of shit.
Mine ain't a piece of shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, this car feels so different to mine. Alright. I hope you don't mind.
It don't got juice like yours, so I'll tell you that right now.
Alright, we can whip it though. Watch, ready? This way.
Oh my god. Yes, sir. Okay, get it, boy. Get it. Okay.
Yeah, your car is definitely less power than mine, but you could definitely get it. Alright, so when it comes to your car, low horsepower, you want to focus on this right here.
Swinging it.
That literally, when you feel your car at the most like sideways, like when you feel it like yank this way, that's when you want to clutch kick at peak throw. All right, let's go.
Let's go, boy.
So right here, you want to go out like this, and then when you whip in.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit! The little dip, bro.
Yeah, in case you guys can't see, there's like dips everywhere.
Yeah, but this is pretty sick though. Like, I'm happy you got a 240. Alright.
Oh, okay.
Yo, your car's lit. You want to try the stock e-brake? See how that goes.
Let's do it. I mean, it locks up. Like, there's no drift button. Is that okay?
Yeah, you just that's why you gotta do like this. Basically, hold the button, right? Hold the button like your life depends on it, and then.
Oh my god.
Okay, no, I couldn't do it at that speed. Oh my god.
I think the e-brake's still up, bro.
Oh. Yeah, you need a button.
That's for sure, bro.
Hey, this shit's tight though. Alright, I'm not gonna abuse your car anymore. This is all for you later.
Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. I hope you guys are as excited for the drift build as I am, because we're gonna fucking full send this S14. And so make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button to stay tuned for more content. Until next time, peace out.